Ideas don't pay bills. What pay bills are irresistible offers. In this step one, we're gonna solve a problem. People don't buy ideas, they buy solutions. Ask yourself, what pain points does my offer remove? When I got started coaching, I thought I was selling strategy sessions, but my clients weren't buying strategies or sessions. They were buying relief from overwhelm, clarity, accountability, and a peace of mind at the end of the day. Step two is to focus on not selling features, but selling outcomes. So we want to shape your offer into not just an idea, not just these features. I'm the best, I worked here, I did this. Nobody really cares.
I don't care.
What you want to do is you want to sell outcomes. What is it that they're going to get? Make sure you stay tuned because I'm just giving you a breakdown of what we're going to cover. I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you my team. And we're going to do all the operating behind your business, from posting for you, from running your ads on our dime, handling all the day-to-day operations, so that way you just bring us the idea, we'll take care of everything else, arranging the calls, and we'll even do the emails, making sure that your calendar gets filled up, and all you have to do is show up. So even though we actually do that, I'm not here to sell you, I'm here to teach you. What you just heard was an offer. What I'm gonna do is help you shape up an offer. So that offer I presented was for solopreneurs or businesses who are just worn out, or individuals who aren't really interested in being a learner, sick of the coaching courses, is sick of learning, and ready to get some real results. Now, let me teach you how to do that, except it's not gonna be for me and my business, it's gonna be for yours. Welcome to phase 2 of this 5-part series on how to build a business that actually lasts. In phase 1, we talked about clarifying your vision and your market. Now, it's time to take that clarity and turn it into something people actually will pay for. Because let's be real, ideas don't pay bills. What pay bills are irresistible offers. In this step one, we're gonna solve a problem. People don't buy ideas, they buy solutions. Ask yourself, what pain points does my offer remove? When I got started coaching, I thought I was selling strategy sessions, but my clients weren't buying strategies or sessions. They were buying relief from overwhelm, clarity, accountability, and a peace of mind at the end of the day. Step 2 is to focus on not selling features, but selling outcomes. So we want to shape your offer into not just an idea, not just these features. I'm the best, I worked here, I did this. Nobody really cares. What you want to do is you want to sell outcomes. What is it that they're going to get? Make sure you stay tuned because I'm just giving you a breakdown. So features, 4 calls, a template, a PDF. Outcomes are going to be clarity, confidence, growth, freedom. And then you want to highlight those pain points, which we highlighted on how to identify that in phase 1. So instead of saying you'll get 4 calls, say by the end of this month, you'll have a game plan you can execute with confidence and ease. People don't want coaching calls. They want results. Even though I'm coaching you in this series, this is something that is here to relieve whatever it is you're dealing with. And so the pain points was something highlighted in the title. It was searchable. The thumbnail was something that sparked curiosity and interest, which is why you clicked it. Step 3, packaging your ideas. Keeping the offer simple, 1 core offer, maybe a couple of versions. But for me, there are 3 different core packages that I personally offer. One is coaching you one-on-one. That's a very selective one. That's where I'm building it with you, laying out the foundation, and it's like you have that friend that you wished, as well as a strategist to keep you accountable, give you that clarity, and ensure that you stay on task and give you the game plan to execute based off of where you are with what you have and your goals, and to keep you on task. Then is my accelerator course. That is a package course where we walk through and gives you everything you need, and I'm coaching you, but but in a different type of container. You get access to my mastermind community as well as all my tools, and it's plug and play. Lastly is the done for you. This is where we launch on your behalf. All our resources, our tools, our team, we do the work on your behalf to position you to not only create an offer, but also execute on the things that bring clients to you to fill in your calendar or your sales and what it is that you're offering, by taking over, helping you clarify that offer, creating a landing page, building out a funnel, creating the ads to attract those leads to that funnel on our dime, as well as managing your social media and creating an email system so that way you can not only gather leads and attract them, but also be able to fill your calendar by sending out a series of emails that locks them in. What I just gave you was, not only is this real, I'm just giving you an example of it. You can find the link in the description if that's interesting to you. Let's make sure we watch this video in its entirety because I want to help you and show the value, and that's what's most important. Asking for what you want, how to price with value and not unfair. See, most entrepreneurs underprice what it is they're doing. They underprice the worth of their jersey. Don't ask, what would people pay? Ask, in this transformation, is it worth it? If you're saving somebody months of frustration, lost money, that's valuable. Wouldn't you say? Price with confidence. And then 5 is to add a sweetener. Make your offer irresistible with a bonus. Could be templates, a private community, or a challenge. For me, I give away my 30-day social media challenge as a bonus, along with my plug and play ad creation tool where we lay some strategies on how to create an ad for as low as $100 and to help you get results. And what these things do is they add value and make key decisions easy. Now that we went through all of that, that's phase 2, turning your vision into an irresistible offer. Remember, solve a real problem, identify what the outcomes that someone's gonna get from using your product or utilizing your services. Focus less on the features. That is overrated, nobody cares. They care more so, what can you do for me? Remember, WIFM. Package it clearly. Also, make sure you price with confidence. But when you're pricing, it's not just on how confident you are, it's about bundling it with value and not just a number. So make sure it's a no-brainer, but don't undersell your jersey. What we do, giving you a head start on what we're gonna talk about a little later, is we take a big number and we break it down into bite-sized pieces so that way you know how much you're gonna make over time, and then you can break it out into a retainer or a fixed price up front. Lastly, make sure you add a sweetener. This is a bonus to create urgency so they can lock in. Next is phase 3, where I'm going to show you how to consistently attract and convert clients to this offer. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join our creative fam where we talk about things like this and more, and also don't want to miss out on phase 3. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And if you found interest in anything that I brought up in the examples, feel free to check it out in the description or link, and definitely leave a comment on your biggest takeaway from this. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. One love. Peace.